Okay. Rishikesh sir, please give me the host here. And please keep your mics on mute. Rohit, how many times should I tell you better? Okay. So 65 is A is the wrong option. The person I met hona hai. All right. 66. As he had taken only a few sips, there was still little water left in the glass. Okay. Now the usage of little and a little, that is what is wrong here. Little बोलते हैं तो कुछ नहीं है. A little बोलते हैं तो थोड़ा है. As he had taken only few sips, there was still little water left in the glass. मतलब उन्होंने थोड़ा सा पानी पिया, इसलिए ग्लास में अभी भी थोड़ा पानी बाकी है. So थोड़ा पानी बाकी है, ऐसा मीनिंग होना है. So there was still a little water left in the glass. Okay, थोड़ा मीनिंग आने के लिए क्या बोलना है? A little. क्योंकि little बोलते हैं तो कुछ पानी लेफ्ट नहीं है, ऐसे हो जाता है. ऐसा नहीं आना है सेंटेंस के अनुसार से. So B is the wrong option because little nahi hai, udhar a little चाहिए. Understood? Moving on to 67. To perform this experiment, drop little sugar into a glass of water. Same error. Drop a little sugar into a glass of water. इधर भी थोड़ा शुगर डालना है. कैसे बताएंगे? A little sugar डालना है. सिर्फ लिटिल शुगर बोलते हैं तो कुछ शुगर नहीं डालना है, ऐसे मीनिंग में आता है. सो लिटिल मीन्स कुछ नहीं है, अ लिटिल मीन्स थोड़ा है. सो थोड़ा शुगर डालो बोलने के लिए अ लिटिल शुगर हम बोल सकते हैं. ओके, सो हियर बी इज द एरर बिकॉज लिटिल शुगर बोला, अ लिटिल चाहिए था. 68 से you haven't written no from 68. Somebody reply. 67 तक ही कंप्लीट किया ना?
Yes, ma'am. We have to continue from 68.
Yeah, please do continue from 68. After you continue, I mean, complete till 72, I'll discuss the answer or I'll show the remaining questions. Please complete it fast from 68.
Yes.
Rohit, you have time to scratch on the screen better. Please complete till 72 and let me know everyone.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, just a
Okay, ma'am.
second. Just a second. Okay. '68. The recent study has indicated that there is perceptible change. Now, 68 to 72 may, apart from grammar errors, there are errors related to what to say, phrases, um, verbal phrase, and all those things. Some words may error. So mostly this is not just grammar error. The recent study has indicated that there is perceptible change in the attitudes of people. So perceptible is not the correct word that is used. Okay. So this is not a grammar error. Grammatically, that sentence has no error. Only that word perceptible is not correct. Perceptible say, we will always say attitudes, people's attitude में लोगों को attitude में considerable change हम बोलते हैं ना, so considerate or considerable is the word that is suitable there. Perceptible is not the correct word there. Okay, so that is a word error there. All right, grammatically
Yeah.
that sentence में बताइए. Yes,
What is meant by perceptible?
perceptible means which can be uh, हम accept कर सकते हैं, that is called perceptible. Okay, perceptible means acceptable changes hai. That is not the recent study says. Recent study considerate means according to the time people's attitude change. Okay, so whenever we mention about change in attitudes, considerate is the word that can be used for saying the changes. Perceptible is not saying that it's the opposite, but perceptible doesn't match in that situation. Okay, perceptible means you can accept people's change. Considerate means हाँ बहुत सारा considerable changes है. That is the meaning difference.
Ma'am, so
Understood?
which option we should choose?
C. Because perceptible is wrong, C is the wrong option. Grammatically, there is nothing wrong in that sentence. Okay. The bus could not. The bus could not ascend the steep hill because it was in the wrong gear. Okay, the answer to me. The usage of because. See, because is used whenever we have to have a specific reason for not doing it. Okay. Here, the thing is, the bus could not ascend the steep hill because it was on the wrong gear, but still it is ascending. Ascending मतलब क्या है? ऊपर चढ़ते. That is called as ascending. Steep hill बस बहुत मुश्किल से चढ़ते. क्यों बहुत मुश्किल से चढ़ते? Because wrong gear में है. Wrong gear में हम डालते हैं तो गाड़ी स्मूथ नहीं जाते, बहुत मुश्किल से जाते. So उसका बराबर गियर में डालना है, फिर वो स्मूथ चढ़ते ऊपर. So this is something which is not. For example, I'll tell you, the bus broke down because there is a nail in the tire. Okay, उधर because is fine. बस का टायर फ्लैट हुआ क्योंकि एक नेल था टायर में और एक कुछ ग्लास पीसेस था टायर में, इसलिए. सो दैट रीजन बोला उधर पर्पस ओवर. लेकिन इधर बस फिर भी कंटिन्यू कर रहे चढ़ाने के लिए, लेकिन चढ़ाने के लिए मुश्किल है. So in that case, instead of because, we will use as. Coordinators usage और functions में हम learn करते हैं ये सब. I don't have the time to teach you all the coordinators. So whenever this kind of question comes, I'll tell you a little bit like this. So ध्यान से सुनो. What we are learning here in this question is the difference between the usage of because and as. So because is one reason told and the story over. Again, as is still it's going on. Okay, that is the closest thing I can tell. The bus could not ascend the steep hill as it was on the wrong gear. Meaning, आप पूछते तो या as से तो भी because का meaning है, लेकिन as और because में meaning में फर्क है. Because one solid reason बोलते हैं, that's it. लेकिन ये वो reason से आगे जाते, that is when we will say as it was in the wrong gear. So इधर because is the wrong option. इधर because के बदले as आना था. That is the functions of coordinator rules में है. So please keep that in mind. Okay. Had I come to know about his difficulties, I would have certainly helped. There is no error in this sentence. Don't just think that had से शुरू किया कुछ error है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Had I come to know about his उसके संकट मुसीबतों के बारे में मेरे को कुछ आइडिया था है तो मैं उनको कुछ हेल्प मदद करते थे. I mean in past tense. Sorry for using the wrong Hindi. I don't know how to keep it in Hindi. It is all in past tense. Had I come to know, past के बारे में बताते हैं. Had I come to know about his difficulties, I would have certainly helped. उस टाइम पे मेरे को वो जानते हैं तो मैं sure help करते थे. Like I would have done. So there is no error in that particular sentence. Our laxity in duty increases with our aversion for work. Okay, again, this is something like the 68 one. Aversion for work means, aversion means pasand nahi karte. Okay, that is the meaning of I have aversion for food. मेरे को जिन food में वो पसंद नहीं करते. Some people don't like green leaves. I have aversion for green leaf food. Leafy vegetables से aversion है. पसंद नहीं करते. That's the meaning of aversion. Now, our laxity in duty. Laxity means we are not doing our duty properly. आलसी जैसे. We are not doing it properly. That is called laxity in duty. Increases with our aversion for work. So there is not much error in this. Okay, grammatically there is no error in this sentence. The trust plans to set on a special school for dumb and deaf children. Trust means क्या है? A group of committee and all we will say no school educational trust. So वो trust वो committee क्या plan कर रहे? Dumb and deaf, those who cannot speak and hear, ऐसे बच्चों के लिए एक special school set up करने के लिए plan कर रहे. Okay, in the explanation itself I said the answer. ऐसे कुछ करने चाहते हैं तो हम क्या word use करेंगे? Set up. Okay, plan set up करते हमेशा, set on नहीं करते. So what is the error here? Error is in B option. The phrasal verb set on is wrong. आपको कुछ करना चाहते हैं तो आपका कुछ प्लान करना कुछ एस्टैब्लिश करना चाहते हैं तो आप कौन से phrasal verb यूज करेंगे? Set up. Okay, set up, not set on. Plans हमेशा क्या करेंगे? Set up करेंगे, set on नहीं करेंगे. Okay, so B is the wrong option. Instead of set on, set up had to come. So B is the wrong option here. Clear everyone? See, questions like 68 and 71, you will not, 99% you will not get, because you always will get questions from grammatical error correction. So don't worry about word correction and all. Spot errors is all about grammatical error correction. All right. So don't pay much attention or tension about this kind of word error. All right. Because words you are getting already in synonyms and antonyms and sentence completion and all. Spot errors mostly concentrates on grammatical rules based error. Okay. So far clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till for tomorrow's homework, write from 73 to 75 fast, and please do it and come. 73 to 75. Do it fast. You can either write it or take the screenshot, whatever you wish. Only 2 minutes left. You have next class, so take the screenshot. Please do 73, 74, 75, that 3 questions and come. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everyone? Yeah, take the screenshot fast and please complete it and come. Only 2 more minutes left. Done? Everyone? Taken the screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. That's it for today. Please do your homework. See you all tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Good night.
Good night,
ma'am.
ma'am.